Alright guys, so we just hit 100 subscribers. And that's pretty awesome. So to celebrate, I'm going to solve 100 Rubik's Cube. Actually, that's a bit too many. And this is only a short. So instead, I'm going to solve 10 to the 0 Rubik's Cubes. That sounds like a much better idea to me. So let's whip up the mat and the timer and the cube. And let's go. Oh no, I messed up. It's fine guys, don't even worry. $17.91. Thank you very much for subscribing everybody. And make sure to subscribe some more because at 200 subscribers, I'm going to solve 20 to the 0 cubes. Bye bye.